Begin with a jet crash in Truckee. A business jet has crashed. The aircraft went down around 1:30 this afternoon near the Ponderosa Golf course, so close to the airport there. Investigators say the jet was attempting to land at the Truckee Airport. There is video of the fiery scene. It hit some trees next to the airport along Reynolds Way. The number of passengers and crew on board unclear at this time, but the aircraft can hold between 8 and 18 people depending on the configuration.
Now, let's get some information on this one. No one on the ground was hurt. As we know at this time, the plane crash did start. You saw that grass fire right there, but it has been contained at this point. Here's a picture of the plane that crashed. It was a Bombardier CL 600 jet.
All right, so you can tell by the aircraft when I hear Bombardier, the tell giveaway is the square windows. Also, just wanted to go over how ARFF trucks, if you have a plane crash that is into wildland, like those trees, is your trucks capable of putting out those fires if you had to walk in? So we're going to be going over that today as well. So you can see the golf course is right there. I mean, it pretty much almost landed on the golf course into the trees, large amount of fire. And if we saw that came on scene, you know, you have to think about access ways, hydrant locations. I believe there is a road on the other side of this fire, which was an access point for the fire crew. Here's a map of the airport is right up here. So they have access from this road. I believe the plane crashed somewhere in these trees, but a lot of access points. Here's a picture of the fire truck that came in, probably a hydrant here, supply line, and then they ran down into here to get to the fire. So this obviously was not an ARFF vehicle, but if it was, you got to think with crash mode. Does your truck have a pump panel? Can you lower the pressures to make firefighting easier and switching over your ARFF vehicle into the usage of wildland hoses? So there's a Bombardier CL 600, and 3 people sadly were fatally injured. Here's our setup for our trucks. So this is on a Legacy Striker. We have the pump panel here. We will connect to our discharge. You can run, if it's close by, you can do it here. Just run this out, gate down on your discharge, and lower down your pressure for this hose. Also, we have bundles. You could go attack line and then wire it off, but 600 feet or so here. So this is how we do it with our ARFF vehicles. We'll just gate down, use the pump panel, and then make access to any kind of aircraft if there's wildland fires. Love to hear you guys' thoughts on it. All right, see you guys next time.